Hi, this is Luke from Toyota Parts Plus. Today we have a 2019 Toyota HiLux, stock number 6187. This ran from the 9th 2015 to the 5th 2020. It has a 1GD FTV 2.8 litre 4-cylinder diesel turbo engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a 1GD 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mega tyre, left front door mirror, left rear door 1 small dent in the corner, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag flat tyre. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mega tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door mirror, right front headlight, right front 17-inch factory alloy mega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with a sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster.